Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lift your GMC Sierra. We'll cover the different types of lift kits available, from simple leveling options to full suspension upgrades. Understanding these choices is key to achieving the look and performance you desire for your truck. We'll also touch on essential safety considerations throughout the process, ensuring a successful modification. When selecting a lift kit, you have several options. Leveling kits correct the factory rake, raising the front of your Sierra by 1 to 3 inches. Body lifts provide 1 to 3 inches of height by adding spacers between the body and frame. For more significant changes, suspension lifts replace key components, offering 2 to 12 inches of lift and allowing for larger tires, like a 35-inch tire with a 5 or 6-inch lift. Installing a lift kit requires careful attention to detail and the right tools. You'll need vehicle jacks, jack stands, a socket wrench, and a torque wrench. Always begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable for safety. Securely raise your Sierra on jack stands, ensuring stability. Most importantly, always follow the specific, detailed instructions that come with your particular lift kit to ensure a correct and safe installation. Once your GMC Sierra is lifted, an immediate wheel alignment is crucial to prevent premature tire wear and ensure proper handling. You'll notice improved ground clearance, allowing for larger tires and better off-road performance. Beyond aesthetics, a lifted truck often provides enhanced visibility and can even improve towing and hauling capabilities, making your Sierra more versatile for various adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.